Hi everyone, this is Addison Cavish. Today we're going to go over how to use the Flight1 app to create a capture mission. Flight1 comes pre-installed on the iPad that comes with your high precision package kit. Upon opening the app, I am presented with a base map in a drawer in the left-hand corner. Sliding up on the drawer, I can see a list of my past missions and also a settings wheel icon. Going to settings, first I'm going to sign in with my Skycatch username and then make sure mission sync is turned on. Because I am logged in, all of my flights are automatically synced to the cloud. This means that my missions can be accessed on any device. Now that I've unlocked all functionality, I can create a new mission by tapping Create New Mission. I can move the boundaries of the mission to cover this area. I can drag in the middle of the lines in order to make a complex area. I'm going to map around this island here. Note that when you are planning your mission, make sure the drone isn't going to fly overhead any non-involved people, moving vehicles, or any obstructions such as buildings and power lines. The next thing I'm going to do is adjust the mission altitude since this is a pretty large area. Since the drone is flying higher, it can fly faster and cover more ground. As I increase the altitude, the estimated flight time decreases, and the number of batteries to complete the mission decreases as well. For any mission, the Explorer 1 will fly until it reaches low battery of 25%, and then it will automatically return home. If it hasn't completed the mission, swap the battery and the drone will resume where it left off and complete the mission. I can also adjust some other capture parameters like overlap, which can be important when we stitch the photos together. Check out the user manual for advanced features like terrain following, 3D mission planning, and using a previous mission's base map. After I've completed all of my pre-flight drone inspection, I'm going to select Ready to Fly, and I will be presented with a pre-flight checklist. This includes the camera, PPK signal, SD storage, flight mode, and drone battery. Double check mission altitude is set correctly, and ensure that the exclusion zone is established. Now I'm ready to hit takeoff. Thank you for watching this Planning Your Mission with Flight1 tutorial. Be sure to check out our next video on flying with the Explorer 1.